My name is Alvin Curry, and thank you for joining me at trustalvincurry.com. Today, we're going to talk about a subject that's very near and dear to my heart. We're going to talk about living paycheck to Monday or payday to Monday. Have you, like many other people, been told that I live paycheck to paycheck? Well, if you have, that would indicate that you have income from one paycheck that lasts you all the way to the next payday. Well, in my case, in the early 80s, when my wife and I first got married, we were in the military. We were able to maintain income pretty much from paycheck to paycheck or payday to payday. But once I got out of the military in 1984, my wife went to work for the county government, and I went to work for a Fortune 500 company installing cable TV. While doing so, we began to create debt. At that time, we bought our first car on credit. We bought a house on credit, of course, and then we began to get credit cards. The next thing I looked up and began to realize is we were living payday to Monday. We were not living paycheck to paycheck anymore. We would pay our daycare on Friday for 2 weeks. We had two children in daycare. On Saturday, my wife would go to the grocery store with her checkbook and a calculator because we had a preset amount that we could only spend on groceries for the next 2 weeks. She would get that amount of groceries, bring it home to the family, and on Sunday evening, she would sit down and pay all of our bills that were scheduled to be paid over the next 2 weeks. Now, around the first of the month, we would pay our house note and a few other bills, and we would be dead broke when she put our bills in the mailbox on Monday. The next Monday, we didn't get any paycheck because we were getting paid every other week. On the second paycheck of the month, we would pay our car note, a few other bills, and we would be broke again on Monday. So we were living payday to Monday. We never really lived paycheck to paycheck at that point any longer because every time we got paid, we would schedule all of our money was be scheduled to be paid out to someone else. I did not like that feeling. I thought, wow, I work and every time I get paid, somebody else gets 100+% of all my money. I knew every pay period where my money was going to go, and I did not see an end to that, no matter where I looked, because I realized that I would have my mortgage for the next 30 years. And of course, I believed that we would have cars and other payments going on for the next 30 years as well. So I wanted to do something different in my life. I wanted to get off that cycle of payday to Monday. Now, the Lord blessed me in 1986 to join a gentleman in business who has helped me to fix my life. So if you're interested in how you can fix your life and get off the cycle of payday to whatever your day that you have no money. So you might today, because of automatic draft, you may not have no money after Friday night once you get paid. You may be broke on Saturday. If you want to know how to fix your life and get off that cycle, you can reach out to me at trustalvincurry.com. You can send me an email or call me, and I'll be happy to have a conversation with you of how to break the cycle of payday to Monday. So I want to thank you for joining me today. Have a blessed day.